Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I received my Nomatic 5-liter Peter McKinnon sling. I'm going to just show you my first impressions. So, from the onset, the box is really beautiful. You have this nice skull logo there, Peter McKinnon signature there. So here is the sling itself. And it has a nice size to it. It's not too large, as they say with Goldilocks. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. It's just right. As you see here, I can wear it as a sling. I can also wear it as a fanny pack. You want to cinch that strap there. Again, it's going to be, you want this longer for the sling, shorter for the fanny pack. You can see from the fanny pack, I have these two compartments here, a zippered compartment there, and then elastic compartments here for the memory cards. All right, so compartment number 1, compartment number 2, a zippered compartment here, 3 elastic compartments here for memory cards, another 2 elastic compartments there. It's extraordinarily organized. Now I'm going to show you the feature of if you don't want to completely zipper your bag up, but you just want to clasp it. All right, so you have a bungee cord inside of the bag here. I'm going to attach that to there. Here's another look of the temporary bungee cord you can utilize. If you don't want to fully zip up the bag, you just want to secure it. That's there. You can see that's there. And then it retreats, bungee cord retreats to there in the bag. All right, so I'm going to put 2 of my Insta360 Ace 2 Pro batteries here in the first section. Here's a loose one. On the other side here, I'm going to put my DJI Mic Mini. I have a cable for my Mic Mini. I have this carry bag with my 4 mic caps for my Mic Mini. I have my USB cover for my Ace 2 Pro. I'm going to put that in the zippered pocket. So as you can see, I have nice separations between my batteries, my wireless mics, my bag with my mic covers. Again, I can put a bunch of memory cards in here. And then I have my USB cover in my zippered pocket here. This is what the bag looks like from the side. This is what the bag looks like from the back. And you can attach molle straps to the bottom here. So I will be attaching my tripod to the bottom because the tripod does not fit inside of the bag. All in all, the Peter McKinnon 5-liter sling from Nomatic is well thought out. The compartments will keep you organized. I love that it has very thick zippers. You can see the zippers are very tough and they have a waterproof liner to them that'll keep water out of your bag. Now, walking with this bag, it feels very lightweight. I can check the specs again, but I believe it weighs a little more than a pound, but you won't feel that weight on your back. I'm going to give it 9.5 out of 10. I'm very pleased with it.